How to view responses in Google Forms. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Google Forms and press Enter. From the search results, click the official Google Forms website. Once Google Forms opens, find the form you want to check. You can browse through your saved forms or use the search option if you have many forms. Click the form to open it. At the top of the page, find the Responses tab and click it. In the Responses section, you can see a summary of all the answers submitted to your form. Google Forms displays the responses using charts and graphs, making it easier to understand the collected data and identify trends. You can also view responses individually. Select the option for individual responses to review each submission separately. This is useful when you need to check specific answers or review what a particular respondent submitted. And that's it, guys. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.